project is a USB 2.0 expansion dock, based on the 334R chip. A 4-port USB hub capable of simultaneous operation of 4 ports and plug and play functionality. The outer shell is made of the aluminum alloy casing from gel CNC, processed through sandblasting and anodizing. It is structurally sturdy and durable, with a rich and luxurious appearance. The project has been shared on OSHWLab. Come and create your own USB expansion dock. Do you want to learn how to make it? On August 7, 2025, we'll be waiting for you on the live stream. Join the webinars to learn and win big.